Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and what are you?
I am a skull, a spider skull.
Oh, a spider skull? You look kind of bony to me. Oh, okay. And what am I? I am a party pooper, where probably I spend a third of my life sitting on the toilet because I enjoy it. It's relaxing, you get a lot of texting done,
Yes.
so it's enjoyable. Today we got a little fan mail we're going to be doing, and also today was a big day because we got rid of the Miata, and AJ and Yogi picked it up today. 14 hours they traveled from, I think it was Detroit, wasn't it?
Or Chicago?
Chicago or Detroit. They traveled 14 hours to get the orange bomb, and hopefully everything works out. I've asked them to keep me informed on Twitter and how things are going, and hopefully it's all good. But you know, great kids, and hopefully they enjoy the Miata as much as we did before a few little.
Yeah, I don't know how well that camera's picking up your voice.
Oh, okay.
Here, I'll put this to the side.
Right. So, but we're going to be heading off to a party today, so we wanted to get this one in so we could show.
This will be coming out after Halloween, but we wanted to do it and open the fan mail.
Right. Because we've been sitting on it for a couple,
It's
a
been
week
a
or
couple
two.
weeks, yes.
So we wanted to get that done. And we wanted to show you some of our costumes. Sorry, my pants are down. So today we got some stuff from Jimmy Ryan. A couple from Jimmy Ryan first, and I'll read one to Jeff Ridgway.
I don't have any glasses.
That's okay. I'll read this one. To Jeff Ridgway. Thanks, Jimmy. We appreciate it.
I don't know if I can see John.
Uh-oh, Jimmy's NHRA, National Hot Rod Association. Way to go, Jim. Used to do and watch a lot of drag racing back in the day. Englishtown, Atco, very close to us.
Very loud.
Yeah, very loud, obnoxiously loud. Dear Jeff Ridgway, I'm inviting you to come to Sonoma Raceway for NHRA drag racing next year in July of 2023 for Friday night. Bring Uncle Larry, Tom, Joe, Kevin, and Terry. Do you like Raiders? Raiders meaning the... Oh, okay. Raiders. Yes, I do like the Raiders. But again, my teams are Packers and Eagles. Steelers, Eagles, Packers, or Lions. Yes, I like all of them. But again,
and right now, go Phillies, go!
Go Phillies, and go Eagles too. Please check out my YouTube channel and please subscribe to my channel. Jimmy, I'll check it out and let you know. Next we got, that was Terry's, and we'll let you open that when you got your eyes on it, okay? This one is from Levi Miller, and Levi has been consistent, and here's a bunch of them in here. So, I'm only going to do one because there's like 10 there.
Wow.
And again, I know you can't see it's on the camera, but there's probably another 8 or 10 over there.
Yeah, read one.
I am going to read one. Sorry, Levi, but that's all we have time for today on this. Dear Jeffrey Todd Ridgway Sr., Psycho Dad, I've been watching you on YouTube videos for a long time. How is everyone doing? We're doing well, thank you for asking, Levi. I want to see you in, and again, I can't make that one.
I don't have my glasses on.
You are the
You're
best.
on your own,
thank
babe.
you. I said hello. Hi, Ter.
Hi.
Thanks, Uncle Larry.
Hi, Levi.
You're great and awesome. This is Levi Miller. And it gives his address, which I won't give out on screen. But thank you, Levi. We appreciate all the support and letters and the video watching.
You seem very brushy.
I am, because I'm on the time frame.
No, take, breathe.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Knife, poke.
Yeah.
This
doesn't
one
matter. Fashionably late is in style now, isn't it? I mean, everybody's a little bit late.
Okay. All right, I will talk very slow. This is from Abby Larson. Thank you, Abby. We appreciate this.
And I know what this is, so, although...
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I talked to her on Twitter.
Oh, okay, good. There's something in here and I don't want to lose it. Okay, you can take that.
Oh, she's got her own business card.
Oh, very nice. Jeff and Terry, this is Abby again. Just thought I'd let you know that I've started my own online business and have been successful. Hope Hope you enjoy your bracelets. I'm enclosing my business card. Well, thank you, Abby. That's sweet.
Thank you,
and
Abby.
it's a nice couple bracelets there.
Yeah, I have to. What she did mine is blue, my favorite color, and it says Terry.
Teary.
I don't even know.
And
if I
mine's
have
green
one.
and gold. Packers colors.
Yes, and it says Jeff.
Very nice. Thank you, Abby.
I'm gonna wear it to the party, Abby.
Me too. Right there. Jeff. So at the end of the night, if I've had too many to drink, I'll know my name.
Perfect. Thank you so much, hon.
This is from Dave, Jack, and Anita. Thank you so much. We appreciate it greatly.
Be careful.
Why? Because it
'Cause
says
you have
fragile.
history.
I have history. And it
Yeah.
says fragile on it.
You don't cut towards you.
I know
you
that.
cut away.
I know, but they use a lot of tape. They're very good at securing it.
All right, give me the knife.
Hold the knife. Accident waiting to happen. Da, 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 da. Packing bubbles, like popping them.
Originally, he wanted me to go as a roll of toilet paper. No, that's not happening.
To go
And
with
I wasn't, they had poop costumes too, and I didn't want to do a poop either.
But that would have been nice.
I wanted to do something scary.
If they had a dude wipe costume,
Huh?
if they had a dude wipe costume, that'd be nice. I do love dude wipes.
You can
Right?
make your own.
Dude wipes?
Yeah, you can make your own.
Then it'd be Jeff wipes. See, that's what I need the knife. Thank you.
Well, you know, you grab that a little fast.
That's what I did. My whole life is that. You never know when things are going to just stop. Sorry,
Oh my God!
I'm trying to be funny.
You did a really good packaging job. You know, really, that is important.
It is important, I agree.
Because the UPS or the post office, they just throw your stuff around. So
I think this
you
is
gotta
a
pack it.
Terry gift. Oh my God, look at that, look at that. Oh, there, that's for you.
Oh my God!
Pumpkinhead.
I love him. Look at him. Oh my God!
No, that is
That's
cute.
so cool. And the little frog with the witch's hat. Oh my
Thank
God, that's
you.
perfect. Oh my God.
Next, another from Dave, Jack, and Anita.
He's
What do you
going
want?
up here.
Has he got a spot for you up there?
There we go. Oh. Johnny. Oh, wait a minute. Is this her car? Yeah.
Yep, that's
Put
hers.
this
Uh-oh,
aside.
more Halloweener. Sorry, got stuck between my legs.
Oh, this is perfect that it's Halloween stuff. Oh, nice.
Here's a card. I'll read that in a
Oh,
moment.
we need more lights. Oh, who is this from?
Dave, Jack, and Anita.
Wow, you guys are very generous.
Yeah, very sweet. Thank you. Here, you hold that. I'll read the card.
Well, this has got some weight to it.
Yep. That's what my mom said when I was born. It's got
Yeah.
some weight to it.
Yeah.
It's Halloween! Woo 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 woo! Mr. and Mrs. Ridgway, have yourself a happy little pumpkin day. Happy Halloween. Your friends, Dave, Jack, and Anita. Jack is still... I can't get that one. I'm sorry, you can't
I
either.
can't, yeah.
Something the cards. Jack is still
Oh, he's picking out the cards.
picking out the cards.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I do need new
That's
glasses.
right, Jack is a dog. That's
Yeah.
right.
Okay, you're already good? You're opening it?
Huh?
You've already opened it?
No, I didn't.
Oh my God! Twix! This is like from heaven! And Snickers bars! Oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh,
That is so sweet.
that is so nice of you.
And what did we find today? We found, for the first time in months, we were able to find peanut M&Ms at Walmart when we were
Excuse
there.
me. Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's all
I
right.
had to tickle.
That's okay. But again, we found
Oh,
them for
wow.
the first time in a while, so thank you all.
Yeah.
Dave,
yeah.
Jack, and Anita, thank you so much. We
There's
appreciate this.
M&Ms in here too. Oh, look, that's a big bag.
It's a value.
I love
Look,
these.
55 pieces. Look.
Oh, wow. Nice. Oh,
That is so sweet. Thank you
That's
so
perfect.
much. We greatly
thank you.
appreciate it.
So thoughtful of
Good.
you. Yeah. We do have the best fans.
We
don't
do have very good fans, and we're closing in on what, 40,000
Yes.
subscribers? We're very close,
Yes,
within
we're very
100 or
close.
so.
Yes.
Which is
I also wanted to bring up, later on, we'll be doing a video that we're giving away Big Brother, our son JT's motorcycle, and I believe this is the one that was pushed in the water.
yes.
So
I
we're
think
going
it's
to
a-
assess it to see, even if it's worth it, and then do a quick video, and then the first person to comment
That wants it.
that wants it, okay, but the thing is, I think they should say a special word, and the
Yeah.
word I was thinking is Marvel.
Marvel.
And the
Very
reason
good
why I say
choice.
Marvel is JT loves Marvel. He loves the superheroes, he loves Batman, he loves all of them.
Johnny got my
So,
shoe.
yeah, when you comment that you want it, not on this video, the next one that is about the bike, you have to have the word Marvel and say that you want it.
Woo.
I hope that makes sense and I'm clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And again, I think it's an 86 Honda Shadow. And when it went,
Well, we'll find out all
Right.
the particulars about it and
and just like the Miata, it has a title with it, it's all legal, so if anybody wants it, just let us know. And we're not asking anything for it.
yeah,
If anybody's interested, just let us know.
right.
But
Just
again,
have
you
to
gotta come pick it up. Right.
Okay.
Good answer. Boom. Where's your bracelet?
It's on this hand.
Nice. There it is. Very nice. Well, again, we are flattered with all the support we have from the fans and the gifts that we get. We appreciate it greatly. And again, we're closing in on 40,000 subscribers,
Yes.
which Terry knows I never anticipated that, and I'm flattered by it.
Yeah.
Very humbled by it. So, either way, everybody have a great day and a good Halloween, as you know we are.
Well, this will be out after Halloween,
Right.
so I hope everybody had a fantastic, spectacular Halloween.
Right. And again, Terry loves this.
I do. I love dressing up.
She loves dressing up. So.
And I love getting into character.
Right.
This
And I
is
love
just so
sitting on
much
the
fun
photo.
for me.
So,
Okay.
I'm going to pull my pants up and in this video. All right, everybody, have a great day and a good life.
John's looking like,
He's got his
what are
sneaker.
you doing?
Listen, I got to walk like I got a load in my britches.